Derek Jones was an activist, an activist team as an environmental type journal. Or if you just write about everyday life, or you may have a gratitude journal where it's not about writing about all the things that you're going through, but about making things.
I follow the space missions very closely. And what are people looking for? They're looking for life in the solar system, life out in the skies. And that's what we're seeking. We're seeking life. And another thing is that many years ago I was on a marketing course, and one guy said, well, what do you do about stress in business? He said, well, get out of your office environment and get into the garden and get into the plants and watch the growth and the regeneration of life. And I found that quite satisfying and quite effective, because when I was feeling uptight at home, I'd run out into the garden and look at all the plants, and I'd come back into the house much more calm.
Prospect Cottage, Dungeness. Circled stones and piled pebbles make a garden in an empty landscape. High skies and low horizons, punctured by tarred prospects. Broken mirrors and shattered lives, faceted beauty in a dark desert. Gold rings and radar reflectors, darkened grains at the end of the line. Lost and found in the beached blossoms of death and life. Colours blooming on a blank canvas, colours blending in a scented warmth. From bare earth to birth, from birth to blossom. Dappled petals dotted on the darkening earth.